Good morning, all of you. Good afternoon, sorry.
Good
Good
afternoon.
afternoon, sir.
Sir. Sir, what we are doing?
Yes, sir, I was also asking this.
Good morning, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Shashwat Gupta present.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
afternoon, sir. Vanshika present.
Afternoon.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so all of you.
Afternoon, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we will continue with the activities
Yes,
that,
Activity.
that we were doing
Okay,
yesterday.
sir.
So I will
Okay,
tell you
sir.
another trick today, one more trick today. Do you remember both the tricks that we did yesterday?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
What
sir.
did
Yes, sir.
I am giving you one question of yesterday's trick. Use the trick that we
Yesterday.
done yesterday.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, 10 questions you ask. Sir, ask 10 questions.
Ask 10
Yes, sir,
questions.
please.
Okay, so
Yes, sir.
Raj,
And sir, please also tell the first, second, third, fourth, and fifth.
I will tell.
Yes, sir.
Adiraj, Unnati, and all these students, I think they are prepared for today. They have done some practice.
Yes, sir.
You've done the practice also.
Yes, sir.
Sir, yesterday
Yes,
I
sir.
was doing that only.
Arey wow.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
But they are
Sir,
not
after
good
finishing
questions.
class, I study 1 hour. So, sir, I was doing that only.
Arey wow, very good. So I'm going to ask questions on. First, I will ask some questions based on the topics that we did yesterday, the activities which were done yesterday. Then I will tell
Okay,
one
sir.
more activity,
Sir,
one new activity today. Okay.
okay, sir.
Okay, one more trick.
Sir,
New one.
means first we will do square.
First, we will do square of a two-digit number, and then one new one. Okay. Then a new one. Okay. So
Okay.
I have turned off on the all the mics. सारे mic मैंने off कर दिए. So ready for the questions? Give your answer in the chat box. Okay. I'm going to ask. First question. Give your answers in the chat box. Okay. So the first question. What is the square of 93? Square of 93. Don't use the calculator. Okay. Don't use the calculator, anyone. Square of 93. इशिका 93 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई नहीं करना है, 93 का स्क्वायर निकालना है. 93 multiplied by 93. Okay, don't give your answer again and again. Just give your answer only one time. Rajprat is giving answer again and again. Don't do it again and again. Okay, so I'm going to solve this on the board first, and then I will tell you who's the first, second, third, and fourth, and fifth. Okay. First, let me tell you what is the correct answer. 93 square. 93 square. So first you write the square of 9, 81. 9 into 3 27, 27 दो बार लिख लिया, and then 3 square is 09, 3 square 09 करके लिखना है. Okay, so 9 14 1 carry हो गया, 6 and 8, 8,649. I can see many of you have given the correct answers. 8,649 is the correct answer. And now I am going to tell who is the first. Okay. The first one to give the correct answer is Shashwat. Shashwat. I want to see the celebration also. Where is your video, Shashwat? Shashwat. Shashwat Gupta. Turn on your video. I want to see you celebrating. Okay. Excellent. Shashwat is celebrating. Second one. I want to see the celebration. Okay. Second one is Unnati. Second is Unnati. Unnati is a bit shy. She is not celebrating. Very good. Okay. Third one. Third one. Shashwat ने तो 2000 बार आंसर दिया है. After Unnati, the third one to give the correct answer is I want to see the celebration again. नाम बताने वाला हूँ मैं. So keep your videos on, only then I will be able to see your celebration. अच्छी सी celebration करनी है कोई. Yes, keep your videos on. The third one is Ishika Mittal. Ishika has kept her video off. Ishika. Ishika is not happy that she's third. Ishika, are you happy? Yes. Very nice. Okay. Fourth one is Izan Jilani. Fourth, Izan Jilani. Show me your celebration, Izan. कुछ नया सा सेलिब्रेशन कर दो, कुछ डैब वगैरह. फुटबॉल तो देखते ही होंगे सब बच्चे. फुटबॉल में सेलिब्रेशन देखते हैं आप? Izan not interested in celebrating. Mic off, sorry, camera off करके celebrate. Maybe he is celebrating while keeping his camera off. And fifth one is Hargun. Excellent, Hargun. Hargun, are you happy? Yes, Hargun is happy. Well, she's very happy. She's smiling, she's laughing. Look at the celebration. Hargun, can you show your hands while clapping? Wow, wow, wow. Very good. Excellent. Okay. Next question. Next question. I want you all to answer quickly. Okay. Next one. Yes, we are doing the activity. Lavanya is asking. Today I will give you one more trick of multiplication of two-digit numbers. Okay, now you find the square of 125. Square of 125. The number ends with 5. इसकी लास्ट डिजिट में 5 है, ध्यान से देख लीजिए. Oh my God. I have already got one answer, 2 answers. Oh, very good, excellent. The students are very, very clever in this class. ओके बता दूं, मैं अनाउंस द विनर्स। चॉकलेट मिलेगी मेरी तरफ से। टुडे आई विल गिव किट कैट ऑन व्हाट्सएप अगेन। असली में नहीं दूंगा, फिर से व्हाट्सएप पे ही दूंगा। एंड व्हेन योर स्कूल विल रीओपन, इन रिटर्न यू विल गिव मी अ रियल चॉकलेट। मैं तो व्हाट्सएप पे दूंगा, आप लोग रिटर्न में असली वाली देंगे। ओके, सो स्क्वायर ऑफ 125 इज, आंसर बता दें। लास्ट टू डिजिट्स तो 25 होंगी बिकॉज द नंबर इज एंडिंग विद 5। लास्ट की टू डिजिट्स क्या आएंगी? 25। सो फर्स्ट टू डिजिट्स 12, क्या नंबर है? 12। 12 को 13 से मल्टीप्लाई कर लेते, कितना आया? 156। सो आंसर इज 15625। 15625 is the correct answer. Almost all of you have given the correct answer. कुछ एक दो आंसर्स यहाँ पे गलत हैं। So first one to give the correct answer is Unnati. You are the first. Unnati, yeah, Unnati is very happy. Unnati, raise your hands and celebrate. Excellent. Second one is Ishika Mittal. Second. Excellent, Ishika. Ishika is very happy. You look at her smile. Wow, wow, wow. She's wearing a pink dress today. Pink dress and pink smile. Very good. Third one. Third one. There is an improvement in the position. Third one is Hargun. Now this time Hargun is third. Excellent. Wow. Wonderful. Look at Hargun's celebration. Fourth one is बता दूं? May I tell the name? Fourth one is Karthik Khandelwal. Yeah, look at the celebration, Karthik Khandelwal. Oh, this is which footballer? Karthik. किसका एक्शन किया ये? अच्छा, मैं जरा माइक ऑन करूं कार्तिक का। हाँ, yes, tell me.
So sometimes Neymar do this.
Neymar does this. Okay, this is the celebration of Neymar. Excellent. रोनाल्डो की सेलिब्रेशन आती है यहाँ पे किसी को? ओके, कितना 4 हो गए ना? फिफ्थ वन। रोनाल्डो की सेलिब्रेशन करनी है अगर किसी को आती है। लो, so switch on your camera and then celebrate. Akshit Bhardwaj, you are the fifth one. Wonderful, Akshit. Akshit is celebrating behind the camera. Acha, he has turned on his camera and he's showing that he's very happy. He's wearing a red t-shirt today. Is it a t-shirt or a sweatshirt? Or is it a shirt? Nice background, Akshit. Very good. Okay, next question. Acha, I'm going to tell you another trick today. One more trick, a new one. ठीक है, उसके बाद I will give you questions on that. So this new trick is based on multiplication of two two-digit numbers. Very simple steps are there. Okay, so if I want to suppose multiply 75 and any number you can take, suppose 84, 75 and 84, any two numbers. Both the numbers are two-digit numbers and you have to multiply these two numbers. So एक तो simple method है, लंबा सा method होता है, 4 into 5 20, 2 carry 28 plus 2 30, 300 कितना हो गया? So 8 into 5 40, 4 carry हो गया, 8 into 7 56 plus 4 56 plus 4 कितना हो गया 60. So this is 63,000 sorry 6,300 आ रहा है मल्टीप्लाई करके है. Okay, so this is one of the ways of doing it, but एक small तरीका भी है shortcut method. This is known as the Vedic method of multiplication. इसका नाम बता दूं मैं आपको. Vedic mathematics में इस method को बुलाते हैं. There is a Sanskrit name for this method. The method is known as Urdhva Triyagvyam. Urdhva Triyagvyam method of multiplication. Okay, so this is the Vedic method of multiplication. Fast, it saves your time. It is very important for your, is very useful for your competitive exams and Olympiads. The method is, suppose this is the number, first digit, two digit, this is the first number, second number is this, first digit, second digit. तो यहाँ पर boxes में digits मैं fill कर दूंगा. But the method is, it has some step. So suppose the number is 75. So this is the first number 75, second number is 84. First step is to multiply these two numbers. 7 into 8. Write the product. 56. ये मैं आपको ऐसे बनाना नहीं है. This is just to explain. ये सिर्फ explain करने के लिए बना रहा हूँ मैं. Don't draw this in your copy like this, otherwise it will take a lot of time. This is just for explanation. Okay. 7 and 8 multiply these two digits. दोनों numbers की tens place वाली digit को multiply कर देंगे. Then multiply 7 and 4.
इसमें कोई सी भी चल जाती है ना.
हाँ.
है ना.
Sorry.
है ना. तो सही है.
Keep your mics off.
ये वाली इंक हो गई और इंक है क्यों.
Akshit, better keep your mic off.
Sir, please mute all of them and me also.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first 7 multiplied by 8. Then second step 7 into 4 and 8 into 5. What is 7 into 4? 28. ऐसे लिखेंगे, शिफ्ट करके लिखेंगे जैसे वहां पर लिखा था अभी. स्क्वायर टू डिजिट नंबर का स्क्वायर निकालने के लिए लिख रहे थे, सेम वैसे ही लिखना है. 7 into 4 28, 5 into 8 40. सेकंड टाइम में शिफ्ट नहीं करना है, फर्स्ट टाइम पे शिफ्ट करके लिखना है, सेकंड टाइम शिफ्ट नहीं करना है. 7 into 4 28, 5 into 8 40, and then finally 5 into 4. 5 into 4 is 20. So write it like this and then add the numbers. Simple है, very similar to the square of two digit number. Two digit number के square से बहुत ही similar है ये. So 0 10 हो गया, ये 1 carry. This will be 13 3 1 carry 6,300. So this is easy. It will take less time. Once you do some practice of it, it will take less time. Okay, in doing it. तो एक नंबर मैं यहाँ पर दे रहा हूँ. This is not a competition. First try to understand how you have to do this. ये कोई competition नहीं है अभी. Practice करने के लिए दे रहा हूँ मैं. Okay. Do it correctly. जल्दी आंसर करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. Just try to do it correctly. Okay. I'm not going to announce any winners in this one. This is just for practice. Okay, I'm giving you a number. Pair of numbers. उसके बाद मैं दूंगा एक क्वेश्चन. Then I will tell you the winners. This is just for practice. Multiply 68 and 59. Multiply these two numbers. 68 multiplied by 59. आराम से करिए, गलत मत करिएगा, करिए सही. टाइम भले ही ज्यादा लग जाए. Do it correctly. So this is always the trick in mathematics. First try to do the thing correctly. जल्दी करने के पीछे नहीं भागना चाहिए. First thing is that you learn it properly. Try to do it correctly. Accuracy is more important. Once you get the accuracy, then you can go for increasing the speed. Okay.
Sir, can I tell the answer?
Yes. Anyone telling the answer?
Sir,
Ma'am, means
sir,
sir,
4012.
4012. Sir, 4012.
4012.
4012.
Yes, sir. 4,000.
2012 is the answer. So
4012.
correct, correct. The first step, 6 into 5, 30. 6 into 9, 54. 5 into 8, 40. And 8 into 9, 72. 2, 11, 1 carry हो गया, 10, 1 carry हो गया, 1000. Understood the method, all of you? ये
Yes,
ज्यादा
sir.
इजी है या वो वाला ज्यादा इजी था? जो नॉर्मल मेथड है. This is easier, I think.
Yes, sir.
थोड़ा सा easy है.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, yes.
Sir, I was saying that, sir, sir, if the sequence will not be the same, so sir, it will be wrong now.
Yes. If your sequence is not correct, then your answer will be wrong. Same sequence होना
So the
चाहिए.
sequence, so the sequence will be now 6 into 5, 6 into 9, and then 5 into 8, and 5 into 9.
No, 8 into 9. Last
Oh,
में
okay, sir.
correct, correct. 6 into 5, first step. Second, 6 into 9, and then 8 into 5, and finally 8 into 9. So this is the sequence. If your sequence is wrong, your answer will be wrong. Okay.
So please give questions.
Yes. Now I am going to give the question. I mute कर रहा हूँ सबको. Give your answers in the chat box. I will tell you who is the first, second, third, fourth. Okay. Mute कर रहा हूँ सबको. Okay. The question is ready for the question. 54 multiplied by 48. तीन आंसर्स एक साथ आए हैं. तीनों आंसर एक साथ आए हैं. ये अब मैं इसमें क्या डिसाइड करूंगा? कौन फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड है? Okay, I'm going to give the answer now first, then I will tell you the winners. Winners का win क्या कर रहे हैं? चॉकलेट मिलेगी सबको और क्या? व्हाट्सएप वाली. Ayushman, do you want to say something? No? Okay. Okay, so answer बता रहा हूँ मैं. First of all, the answer is 5 into 4 20, 5 into 8 48, sorry 40, 4 into 4 16, and finally 4 into 8 32. So 2 16 को sorry मैंने गलत लिख दिया यहाँ पर. 16 and 32. 16 यहीं पर आएगा and 32 ये आएगा. So 2952. 2592 is the answer. 2592 is the answer. Announce कर दूं winners. First, so I saw that 3 of you gave the answers at the same time. तीनों के नाम एक साथ बता देता हूँ. So first, second, third, तीनों ही बच्चे first, second, third हैं. The names are Ayushman, Hargun, and Unnati. Wonderful. आयुष्मान सेलिब्रेशन दिखाओ जरा कुछ. रोनाल्डो वाला सेलिब्रेशन जरा आता है नहीं आता? हाँ यस, रोनाल्डो सेलिब्रेशन. उन्नति को आता है शायद. लेट मी सी. उन्नति, वेरी उन्नति. उन्नति या हाँ, उन्नति को आता है. देखो रोनाल्डो. उन्नति वन मोर टाइम. यस. Excellent. Wonderful. Hargun is very happy. Hargun is dancing, I think. नहीं, हरगुन का फैन डांस कर रहा है ऊपर. नहीं, ओके. उसके बाद आयुष्मान, हरगुन, उन्नति के बाद है. फोर्थ वन इज कार्तिक खंडेलवाल. कार्तिक खंडेलवाल is fourth. And fifth is Mridul Patel, sister of Anjali Patel. Karthik is doing some celebration. Karthik, show me your celebration. Yes. Karthik Khandelwal, जरा दिखाना. हाँ दिखाओ जरा. हाँ very good. What is it? दिख नहीं रहा है कैमरे में. हाँ ये रोनाल्डो celebration. ओहो, this is the proper one. Wonderful. कार्तिक खंडेलवाल पूरी सारी नेमार की और रोनाल्डो की सबकी सेलिब्रेशन आती है. एग्जैक्टली बिल्कुल वैसी करा जैसे रोनाल्डो करता है. वेरी गुड. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. रेडी? (46 into 76). 46 multiplied by 76. इस बार मुझे लिस्ट में कुछ नए नाम दिख रहे हैं. answers. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Some new names are there. Very good. बता दें answer. Okay, first of all, let me tell you the answer. Then I will announce the names. 46 into 76, 4 into 7, 28, 4 into 6, 24, 6 into 7, 42, 6 into 6, 36. 6, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 3, 9, and 14, 1 carry over. 3496 is the answer. 3496 is the answer. And Adhiraj to बहुत खुश. Adhiraj कर रहा है वो dab. Adhiraj is doing a dab because his answer is correct. Adhiraj, one more time, can you do the dab? Yeah. Very good. Okay, first one. The first is Ayushman Rana. Wonderful. Ayushman Rana. Second is the second one is Kartik Khandelwal. Kartik Khandelwal, he's dancing, he's doing like Messi. Oh, ho, ho. This is Messi celebration. Very good. Kartik Khandelwal को सबकी celebration आती है. Very good. Third is Unnati. Very good. Unnati. Fourth is बता दूं. फोर्थ पहले मुझे जरा वीडियो मिल जाए फोर्थ वाले की. इसके बाद कहाँ गया फोर्थ. Fourth is Naitik Gangwar, new name in the list. Naitik Gangwar is fourth. Wonderful, Naitik. Naitik, can you turn on your video? Yes, ये है Naitik, देखिए. Orange color की जैकेट पहनी हुई. Naitik, can you do a high five with me? Very good, Naitik. Next is I want to see a celebration. Fifth position is Anshika. Fifth position is Anshika. Anshika, are you happy, Anshika? Anshika, can you turn on your video? Yes, this is Anshika. आप सब लोग अंशिका को जानते हैं? Anshika, very good beta. Anshika is wearing red color today, and she is shining bright. Very good. Okay, next question. All of you, be ready for the next one. Hmm. 95 into 63. 95 into 63. इतनी जल्दी आंसर दे देते हैं ये बच्चे. खा पी के बैठते हैं क्या पहले से पता होता है कि मैं क्या क्वेश्चन देने वाला हूँ. इतनी जल्दी आंसर्स कैसे दे देते हैं. इतनी जल्दी तो मैं भी नहीं कर पाऊंगा. Okay, so first of all, let me tell the answer quickly, and then I will announce who's the first, who's second, who's third, who's fourth, who's fifth. 9 into 6, 54. 9 into 3, 27. 5 into 6, 30. 5 into 3, 15. 5, 8, 4 plus 2 plus 3, 9. 5985. 5,985. First is Ayushman Rana. Ayushman Rana is again first. Wonderful, Ayush. Excellent. Second, there is an improvement in the spot. Position में improvement आया है. Last time, this person was in the last question. This person was on 5th position. Now she is on 2nd. Anshika is 2nd. 3rd is Naitik. 4th is Unnati and 5th is Hargun. Excellent. नैतिक शायद 4th पे थे, नैतिक 3rd पे आ गए हैं. वेरी गुड. नैतिक एंड अंशिका बोथ ऑफ यू इम्प्रूवमेंट किया है. उन्नति 4th and Hargun 5th. Excellent everyone. And lot of others have also given the correct answer. So excellent all of you. Very good. Okay. So that is it for today's class. Bye bye all of you.